Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Manning. Thank you so much for the opportunity to share how I would lead the staff in their continued literacy instruction growth. I think first and foremost, it would be important to figure out where we are and then also figure out where we want to be. So create that baseline of where we are as a school by gathering those various data collection pieces from students and staff in central office and the community. And then as a school, I would love for us to create a measurable goal and a strategic plan that we could use to meet that goal. And I think it would be a great working example of goal setting and using intentional scaffolding to meet that goal. So looking at the strategic plan, I think it would be really important to really unpack the teacher evaluation domains and create observables and student success indicators. Then we would use also the evaluation system as an instrument of continuous growth by providing feedback, coaching, and mentoring. When I taught in Florida, I thought it was really important. And one of the things that allowed me to have that continuous growth mindset was using the evaluation instrument as a tool of feedback and having instructional coaches, and then also being mentored and mentoring other teachers as well. I think also it would be important to really engage in true PLCs and using the student data to drive our instruction, and also provide opportunities for teachers to fine-tune that core Tier 1 instruction, and also figure out how to enrich our students and provide reteach opportunities as well. So it's taking a look at that MTSS framework that's being put in place at the school and taking the temperature. Are there some things that we could change? What's going well, and what could use some tweaking? Something else I think would be really cool. I was able to participate in instructional rounds with Reading Now Network last year, and it was an eye-opening experience. So I think it would be really cool as part of the strategic plan to be able to invite those experts into the building and help us dig deeper into our literacy best practices. That was really neat. I really enjoyed doing that. It's the first time I've experienced instructional rounds, and it was a really cool experience. I would also, I think, what has to happen first thing is making sure that the students have a love of learning. When I taught in Florida, I did third grade, and we had third grade retention laws for a few years now, and it was tough having that love of learning in a high stakes environment. But it really and truly is so important for students to have that love of learning, and I feel like having rich classroom libraries and providing students the opportunity to have the readers workshop model were a couple of ways that the school could provide that love of learning, and also modeling myself as well, that I have a love of learning and I have a love of reading, and I definitely, reading to me is life. As you can see on the bottom, I put reading is life. It really is. I love it. So another way that we can do that is by engaging the community in different reading events and making sure that our environment is full of rich text, and that books are everywhere. And again, making sure that we're instilling that love of learning. I went over by a few seconds, I'm sorry, but I appreciate your time, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.